Do we say, I need to go to the bank? Or do we say, I need to go to a bank? Which one is correct? Check out this lesson to find out the answer. Hi, I'm Steve, and this is Single Step English. Most students have trouble using articles in English. These are the words a, an, and the. In this lesson, I would like to talk about the difference between a and the, and I'll give you many examples to show you how to use them properly. In the example I used at the start of this lesson, I need to go to the bank and I need to go to a bank. The difference between these two is that the first sentence, I need to go to the bank is understood between both the speaker and the listener. This means that both people understand which bank the person is talking about. The bank. It is a specific bank. So in English, we call this a definite article. Out of all of the banks, this is a particular or a specific bank, the bank. Okay, it's definite, it's particular or specific. Another reason you might say the bank is if you live in a really small town, and maybe it's the only bank in town. There's only one bank. So you would say, I need to go to the bank. There's only one choice. However, in the second example, I need to go to a bank, the speaker does not know where the bank is located. It is a general statement. This could be one of many banks. So you could say, I need to go to a bank. Any bank is okay. Here is another example. Which one is the best choice? Is it a or the? I would like to go see movie. Which one's the best choice? Is it a or the? Here is a hint. It is a general statement. It is not specific. Okay, the answer is, I would like to go see a movie. So you're thinking that any movie is okay. I really want to go see a movie. But if we change the information to something more specific, for example, I want to see the new Avengers movie, then we change the article a to the new Avengers movie. Okay. And for the whole sentence, you would say, I want to see the new Avengers movie. And this is because the information has changed from something general, really wide, a movie, to something narrower, more specific, so we use the article the. Okay? For me, I want to see the new Tom Hanks movie. He is one of my favorite actors. Here's another example. Let's suppose you want to see a panda at the zoo. And pandas are so cute, and you want to see the panda. Well, if this zoo only has one panda, what would you say? Which is the best article? I want to see panda at the zoo. Here's a hint. The panda belongs to a group of animals. Have you decided? Here's the answer. I want to see the panda at the zoo. And this is because there's only one panda. I want to see the panda at the zoo. We also use the before geographical nouns. And these are the names of places. Let's follow along. For the names of rivers, we use the. So the Amazon, the Nile. These are famous rivers. Also for oceans, we would say the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. And also for seas, the name of a sea, we would say the Black Sea, the Mediterranean Sea. We use the word the before the geographical noun. We use the for points on the globe. For example, the equator or the North Pole. We also use the for geographical areas. The Middle East, the Southwest. These are areas, so we use the. And we use the for deserts. The Sahara, the Gobi. We use the before the name of a famous forest, if it has a name. So we'd say the Black Forest, which is a famous forest in Germany. And for a gulf, for example, the Gulf of Mexico, we need the word, the article, the. A famous canal, the Panama Canal. However, I notice in students' writing that sometimes they use the article the before a geographical noun or a place, and we often don't use them. So here are some examples where you don't need the. The names of countries, for example, Brazil, Lebanon, France. Okay, you don't need the article the. However, there are countries that use the word the before their name. For example, the Netherlands, the United States. That's another country that uses the. Just if you'd like to check, in the section below, in the description, I put a list together of countries that do use the word the article, before their name. And you can check that out. Next, we don't use the before the names of cities. We don't use the. Okay, so London, we would not say the London. New York, the New York. No, we do not use the. And this also includes states and towns as well. So California, we don't say the California. And for small towns, all right, maybe a small place where you live, you don't use the word the. Names of streets, Lincoln Avenue, the Lincoln Avenue. No, we would not say that. So avenue or boulevard, a road, we do not use the article the. Names of lakes and bays, all right? Lakes and bays. For example, Lake Tahoe, which is a beautiful place. You do not use the article the. So just Lake Tahoe. Byron Bay, no the. Next, names of mountains. Mount Fuji, we don't say the Mount Fuji. Mount Kilimanjaro, the, we don't use it. However, for a range of mountains, and this means many mountains together, we would use the. Let me give you an example. The Swiss Alps. The Swiss Alps. There are many Alps, many mountains, so it's the Swiss Alps. The Andes. This is a range of mountains, so we would use the article the. And last, when you talk about islands, for example, Bali or Maui, we don't use the article the. Again, if there are many islands together, one example would be the Canary Islands. So in this case, we would use the article the. In this lesson, we learned many examples of using the articles a versus the. And I really hope it will help you improve your written and spoken English. If you have any questions, please write them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.